Hey everyone, Joel Tremblay here, and I'm ice fishing with my wife Jess. We're out here ice fishing on Nipissing, fairly large freshwater lake. Today we are targeting walleye primarily, but this spot I know is good for jumbo trout, for jumbo perch, and the occasional pike. We're nice and cozy in here and warm. We have a buddy heater running, and Jess actually got me for Christmas this double, I don't know if you can really see it, but it's like a double insulated folding couch thing, and this thing is really comfortable. Like, we're in luxury here. Yeah, we are currently ice fishing in my brand new used pop-up ice hut that I picked up for $100.
Tell them it's your birthday.
So we're out here. It's getting a little bit more mild. It was like minus 36 last night and minus 20 this morning. Now it should be around minus 17, I believe. We got a ice flasher Hummingbird 35 that I'm borrowing from a friend, and I picked myself up a little birthday gift. And by the way, it's my birthday today, so we're doing a little birthday ice fishing. Here I have the Deeper CHIRP 2 plus something latest bobber, and what it does is it connects to your phone. And so I have this little box here that I built, and I have a little mount for my phone. This is my spare phone, and as you can see, it's a nice little flasher, nice little screen. For ice fishing, you can use it in the summer as a fish finder with the canoe and stuff, so it's very lightweight. It's just a little bobber. I don't know if you want to show them the little bobber there in my hole. Just a little bobber, kind of sits there. I've seen a few fish, just haven't had a chance to catch them. Lots of marks and lots of bites, but nothing through the hole yet, so we're gonna keep you updated. I haven't gone outside and set up the tip-ups yet, and I'll do that, and I can explain to you those, because those are pretty neat as well. Yeah. I don't think the phone picks up the ice flasher too well. She's got a really good mark right there. Her line's just popping off. Oh, there's one coming up on mine. There he is, look. Right there. This is an awesome little flasher. There's a hungry fish. Here, you want to hold this? Mm-hmm. Let's see if he goes for it. Run away. Oh, your line's going off. Oh, we missed it. Oh, you still got your bait. Alright, let's get back down there quickly. Hopefully the little fish leave us alone for a little bit. I'm gonna go and set up the tip-ups. Okay, so this is the famous tip-up made by my grandfather. He used to make them. Not so much anymore, but as you can see, nice and collapsible. Essentially, to set them up, all you have to do, pull the, I guess this would be the rod part out. Screw it into the door stopper receiver, plant that in the ice, put your line in the water, and you're off to the races. Fish comes and bites the line. Oof, battery's dead. Okay, so normally there is a buzzer and a light here. In this little glass fuse top piece here, there's a light. And when the metal of the door stop hits this metal bar here, normally if the battery was alive, I didn't check the battery before coming out here, but it'll set off the buzzer and the light. Awesome little tip up. I really like these things. They're really compact. They have caught a lot of fish. So I'm gonna go set this one up. I have another one, I think. So this is the other one. Yeah, so what normally happens, you have your line through, you know, in the water, you're off to the races, and a fish comes by and bites your line. And that, ladies and gentlemen, means fish on. Yeah, so this is how the setup works. Fish on. It is cold out. Something's messing with that line. Probably a little perch.
Holy! Show the people what you got. Just want to go on record saying that was my tip up.
Oh yeah, this was yours, eh?
Yep.
Wait, little work stream with the wind too. That's it. Fish every time. Alright, we need another minnow. And my sonar frozen. There's a fish. Oh, there we go. Come on. Did I wait too long? Oh, I think you robbed me. Oh, he's coming back after it. Oh. Robbed. That's a reading. Top line's my bait. Get some action here. Phone, you gotta focus. Okay, so a little birthday gift for myself. Deeper CHIRP 2 Plus. It is a floating bobber that is a fish finder, ice flasher, sonar, and depth finder and all that. And as you can see, I have it set up to an old phone. It's doing a really good job because I'm currently marking something. You can see I'm pulling out my bait there, and then there's another line right below it. So that's exciting. I might get cut off here. And basically I have it set up on a small GoPro mount that I can remove this if I need to and have my phone mobile with my ice fishing rod and whatnot. This is a thermal box that I modified, and I just have it plugged into a battery pack inside. The phone doesn't last too long. The bobber has about 15 hours of battery life, so we're not going to be out here for 15 hours. But the phone, that battery pack will keep the phone charged for as long as I need it to for fishing. My wife's using a Humminbird Ice 35 that I'm borrowing from a friend, and really it was just to compare the graphics and the quality, and I must say that this is actually pretty good. Like the imaging is really nice. I'm really happy with that. I like how your face just shows up in the reflection. It's like, hi! And it's really cool that I'm able to remove the phone and take it with me. So that's the Deeper bobber.
Which line will get a fish?
Little walleye on the tip up once again. On your tip up once again. So that's 3 for the tip up and 0 for everything else.
Hi. Is it the same one?
No, but it's so small. Hi, little walleye. That is 4 for the tip up. Trade you for 2 minnows. Well, I can't see anything. One second.
You want me to go outside?
Good one, Jess. Managed to get a really nice one. There you are. Very nice. You're definitely out fishing me today. Alright, in the hole he goes. I don't think it's a keeper.
Oh.
We've got probably 10 or 15 more minutes of fishing here. Jess is kicking my butt. Like, I've reeled in her tip-ups, but I'm not going to count them as my fish. So, yeah, I'm getting my butt kicked on my birthday. I'm having lots of fun, so that's what counts, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, he inhaled that one.
Bye-bye, Minnow.
I mean, not the biggest one of the trip, but still fun. Alright, it's prime time now. Lots of marks. Sun is going down. It's getting a little dark out there. There, I got two fish now. One on top and one below. That's not a big one. A little guy with a little eye.
Oh, he's mad.
I want.
Ooh, you can keep your, your minnow.
That's our last minnow, so sorry, fishy, I'm keeping it. Okay, can we get a bigger one? There's a fish that came and gone. Well, no keepers. Few fish though. We can hear the wind just absolutely howling, and the sun's starting to set, so we're gonna start packing up and make the hike back to the truck. Oh, do you have one? Oh, Jess has a fish.
No, I think I lost it.
Oh, did you lose it?
Oh, I don't know what's happening.
Hold on. Oh, you lost it.
Oh, they got it all.
Robbed her. Alright, well, on that note, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned. So you outfished me. How do you feel?
Like a winner.
Alright, good night, everyone.